Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are new to our channel, welcome to our channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and a little bell icon to get notified when we come out with new videos. Today we are at Knott's Berry Farm, as you guys saw in the thumbnail and the title. So it's been 32 years since both Shayna and I have been here. It's funny, we actually came down to California the exact same year. We didn't know each other then. But yeah, 1992 we came down. So 32 years later, back at Knott's Berry Farm. And yeah, we're excited to check it out. And unfortunately, Shayna's feeling a little under the weather today. Leave Costa Rica and gets a little bit of a cold. So yeah, it's unfortunate. So she won't be in the video. The boys are going to be in the video with me, so you guys will get to see them riding on the rides and all that stuff. Shayna's actually just going through security because she has her purse with her. And yeah, so we're gonna go in right now. We actually got a deal on Groupon, so it was like 65 bucks a person. We get unlimited Coca-Cola. That's all the boys that they're all excited. But yeah, we're gonna head in and then yeah, bring you guys along, show you what it's like here at Knott's Berry Farm in 2024. So we're gonna go on this train ride here. The boys went on that other ride you guys saw. Jade was like, it was fun. It twisted a lot, but this one I think's not like that. But yeah, we'll see what it's like. I don't know if we can film on any of the rides here, so I don't know if we can show you that, but at least you'll see from the outside most of the things here at Knott's Berry.
Howdy, folks. This here is old Polecat Mahoney, and I am delighted to take you into the famous Calico mine, the richest gold strike this side of the Mississippi. These bubbling, boiling pots sure may look pretty, but many a poor miner's gone and dug his pick right down into old Mother Earth.
Now you'll count to be too careful in this here mine, folks. Remember, one stray spark and we'll all get blasted.
So yeah, we were in line for the log ride, and unfortunately something happened and it broke down, or I don't know if somebody got hurt or something, but yeah, unfortunately we weren't able to go on it. But we actually got to put our name in for a fast track at another ride. So we're gonna go on this roller coaster, and maybe we'll save the fast track for the Silver Bullet. We'll see. This one doesn't even have a lineup. We might as well just go in.
Start another one. You want to shoot?
Sure.
Is it? Screen went black.
All right, so that's gonna be it for this video here at Knott's Berry Farm. Yeah, it was a fun day, and we got to go on a few of the rides. There was fairly long lines though. We got on that log one and it failed, so we couldn't ride it, but we got to use a quick pass to get onto other ones. So yeah, overall fun experience here. Again, 32 years since both Shayna and I were here last, and yeah, it's changed a little bit, but it's very similar. But yeah, if you are in California, definitely recommend checking out Knott's Berry Farm. Disneyland is fun and it's expensive, but this is different and it's unique, and it has like this old Western feel plus the Mexican feel as well. So yeah, we'll leave the video off there. If you guys like it, please leave a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon to get notified when we come with new videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
It's going down like a rodeo. It's going down like I told you so. It's going down like a rodeo. It's going down like I told you so. I hope you're all here for the ride. Come inside, cause it's going down tonight.